Is your external component the agiledotnetrt64.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish agile.net links. Get the professional agile.netrt64 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the agile.netrt64, the agile.net 64-bit Obfuscator Runtime. It manages the localized decryption and high-speed execution of obfuscated C# and .NET code. It prevents reverse engineering by protecting the localized MSIL bitstream during the just-in-time JIT compilation phase. Failure results in a fatal execution engine error in secured applications. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Missing agile.netrt64. DLL data often points to a failed patch within the agile.net integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing agile.netrt64 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A quick warning, many sites offering agile.netrt64.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to agile.netrt64 and system efficiency. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for agile.netrt64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.